going on, you know the thing going on. Yeah?
95 we talk about?
Yeah, man, from 90 little.
That's how you go, 95.
Hold on, even before that. From you got Jews and you got Balboji.
One day the one, Flippa come down the other and came down and everybody play some football, bro. You know, long with it down there. Be a bad too.
Yeah, man, you know the thing, man.
You see me? I know just them down there with their yard. Anywhere they
man.
Anywhere, man. The whole hour down there.
One Lisa vibes, you know? I plan for run out soon, you know? My side just dropped 5 love, so you know what I say? Take on a little tournament there, you know? Pay love, my sister, pay love. Another receive another gunman day.
Turn up the that blood. That. You still can't wheel your bicycle.
Oh, you mean me can't wheel my bicycle, man?
Some more times some people you know what? You don't see some back here like bicycle across the road.
I told you, man.
Remember when you told me a basketball girl?
Yeah.
Nigga them from Washington, Flippa and everyone and them bad, wicked basketball game I play. One thing we know, you know, when Johnny come up the road, you have to know, really.
Yeah, man.
And then him stop all of the 5-way right there, the 5-way I might play that back way. And I ride around now.
Yeah. Oh, they're going back there.
Stand still. You want to stand still?
Yeah.
A bicycle now.
Move, eh.
Who that when the man and do so. Here, the Prado. Come like a 2-wheel.
Money Mike's son.
Yeah. Chris. Watch
out.
Big Rabbit.
Chris, why you?
They going to the Prado. Yeah, when
Chris. Money Mike's son, Chris.
I don't know a normal driver neither. The man said make Johnny drive it. Yeah, that can drive it. Tell a man that. What they may tell Mango. Yeah, Mango drive it. Yeah. Family they from up the road.
Yeah, man.
Me I tell them say, I want thing you know driving on now. Oh yeah, me a Sheila Mango they want drive from that age, you know.
Remember one night we come from LaRue, same KARTEL show that the blood clot, we have the CRV.
At the same time, no, that's not the far. When you're killer.
The force and the extra out of center, man. Yeah, what a murder, man. Yeah, man, football tournament night in Philadelphia, we're outside, you know. Eh? No, my team dropped 5 love.
But be a National League ball here, they must drop 5 love.
I mean, great cash and bunch, man.
Yeah, man,
Seabaugh United. That they say.
Seabaugh gonna be 1,000.
Well, and that's why Arsenal get a 1 love today.
Fuck up that, man.
That they said, fuck up. 1 Chelsea, you hear that? See me, I know. One skilly banks, you know. Yeah, man, over Instagram I look for you, man. The dance ram, you know.
Real one.
Him name Skilly Banks guy was a bank teller, you know. They don't know they are working at bank, Skilly.
Take out the whole of money. Take out the whole of money.
Yeah, man. Well, I'm showing him a Spanish pretty girl, but I'm going to spend her money on her, you know. Hot girl Teresa, you know. See my baby mama here, she said me her baby daddy. Whoa, watch her blushing. 1 Teresa. Instagram, me Teresa, see her, yeah? Talk to them, just say hi to them.
Hi.
You see her? That's Teresa, you hear that?
Oh, live.
Gone global. Can't talk to her. Chad Boogie joining. Come in, Chad. Them have the fat football competition. To cash Chad Boogie. Come play for selector team. See King Bubbles here. Hanks there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I have to walk and warm, man. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Yo, what go on? VYBZ. Miss Mo Matters, what's up, Momo? Who not the ball sense? Me I talk to? Ask about me from me I got Naman man, them call me Wilder Pearl, me a wildest thing.
MVP in America,
MV, ask Kunte, rest in peace Irving in English, but them tell him none of them can beat my side. Ask Anthony Pete, Marlon Pete, all of them. All of them have to send for come for me. You hear that? Me and my little squad, VYBZ Mafia, Barney, Sian, yeah, be a wild man have to come. They have to send for Gerald Neal, Kunte, to come wild up round there. A long time man I drop leather. I will win the most competition, 6-a-side competition in the White House. You hear that?
So, the first team play a Mafia house.
Where say, you know me can't play domino. You underestimate me in a domino. I'm coming in the Bronx from boost up your friend them head and see it, Raza. I hear the pan. Eh? So me looking over here. A bumbuckler football make him get visa and there. You hear that? Jamaica, the man represent them Firehouse. The great Robbie Keane, aka Robbie Clean. The girl them Butter Bean. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Steve.
Yeah, feel him, man. We outside, man. It's a fun day in the park, man. Come in, man. One sprocket, one blood clot, Russell Avenue, Capture, Bushmouth, St. Lucia Road, Farmer Road, Upson Avenue, Binns Road, Penwood Road. Anywhere. In our Kingston 11, you know where it go. You hear that? Yo, manager, bring a thing for me. Johnny come back. That's what you do to me, man. That's what you do to me, man. I saw me go dance, you know. Yes, he wants me come them now, but I buy no liquor, you know. Johnny come. Yeah. Sian. Ken Bailey's son.
You really John for Ravi?
Over the years we there. Vegas never play when me there. When Vegas come from me there, jail, remember that? Okay. All right.
Cornerstone and London. Top strike on Cornerstone.
Search for go, brother.
All right.
So top go. They can't. Top strike, yeah. No, it can't be that. It can't be two West team. Them can't put two team from Upson and two team from Vegas.
Because they might try to make sure. They might try to make. Where you going with? I see you going to be a flare and be a scare. See me? Be a flare and be a scare. All game. You hear that? Teamwork and the dream work.
We just stay while I wait for ball.
One and dream, Magala.
You know what you go, the blood flag.
Man, I want to joke. I play on ball. We can't want to ball.
Yo, anything over 120 pound, my friend, I take them. You hear that?
Anything over 160. Anything over
160. Anything over 160. You hear that? Dead. Yo, Baba say, anything over 160.
All right. West side and top striker play. Come on.
Yeah.
Warrior, you want to come here play football. Top striker
Boss, them
and
play
West
them already.
side.
We give him 6 of them. Boss, them play already.
Oh, them get the 6 on.
Hey, ball game a rule, man.
Brother, listen up.
One law. Right.
Alright. Mafia house then. Mafia house.
Magala squad, the Mafia house there.
Alright.
Bring down Beanie Man this for Mafia house.
Alright. Where you want?
Yo, Robbie.
I don't think of that. I doubt that.
Alright. You know what I want? You know what I want?
Nah,
You know what I want? We're going. Yeah, we're going to put the car. That's all the place. Now come like everybody can.
Ladies, gonna come out here, sir.
Alright.
Up and gunning, you hear that? Loud. In a park, I go and drop some leather, you know?
West side on top striker up on the field. Bomba clock. Warrior war. West side on top striker up on the field. Simple as that.
Yeah.
Then the next team play the next team. And the KARTEL day. Because we can't have a confusion. Who want to play? Who brother? Nobody out now go for nobody.
No sell out.
Nobody out.
No sell out.
No sell out. Straight ready. Unity thing. You hear that? So listen, man, so now we are going to play them. Yes.
They are madman. You can't play them again. You can't play them. Steve have to play. Steve have to play them. Steve have to play them. Steve have to play them. Everybody is trying them alone. What am I doing?
The next man them play already.
Mafia on West side.
Regulation.
Let's say no.
Rotation.
No big out, no buy out. Brother, I don't care play a football, real play.
No, but them just play.
Alright. Majority rule. That's how we deal with it. Majority rule. Mafia house and West side. Cause that to no one, right? That to no okay. Alright. Listen. It's not final. But we are based upon for the points this time. So forward. Mafia house, West side.
Oh, look at me team out, run out there now. So I have to go on one, because you know me so go on, I can't start, because remember, Parkside, 40 foot, where's that 40 foot, right?
Yeah. Mad.
No, Belmont and Parkside.
Touch Museum.
Belmont and Parkside, right at the park.
Touch Museum.
Belmont and Parkside on the west side. Touch Museum. Yeah, right there, somewhere when I cricket pitch there, you know?
Touch Museum, everybody knows by Touch Museum.
Yeah.
All my friends, I just Google Touch Museum. And
Yeah, Google Touch Museum. Yeah.
You can't come straight.
That's over there, right there, sir. Ladies, bring the kids, them come out. It's a fun day, soccer play.
Yeah.
You don't know, you come out here, be a millionaire, your bills might get paid. Skilly. I make the young girls know if you come out and be a millionaire out there, them bills might get paid. Skilly beg. See me dog, I'm saying, girl, if you damn cash, you know, you see what I say? One bumble lion there, you know, might win some fashion, you know. Represent the brand, you know, to promote the brand, you know. Yeah, man, bumble lion, man, right from Barbados Road, we're right down to capture that. 1J. You hear that? With the bumble lion brand, yeah. Mother Road. Yo, if you fix up some things, then come give me to you, know. Yeah, man. But for promote the herbal band in Philadelphia, you know, you see me I say.
Are you artists, right?
One got it. Alright, the shot it.
Watch your bad side, you know, run out.
Is it? No. Master, come on, you understand? Super. Yeah, you have to make sure them on the style before we go on. I'm all right now. Yo! Hey, Skilly Bengo. Yeah, man, eh? Super something, you want to burn me out. Yeah, man, you want to be a flare, man. Be a flare. The boy Tigani can play on the side. Yeah, man, a big baller, man. Yeah, man, man. Yeah, man. We still beat up. Said we play for Sunday best. See you, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, we have ladies that cheer, man. Watch out. Big batty girl. Where they part? See? What if ladies out there? I labor right this in the Sierra now, green and black. You see labor right? No. I'm not part of the promotion there. I'm just a dog them, you know? Yeah. One sponge music. Don't know, I'm telling you guys if you come, them bills might get paid, you know? Because from them up and right, I'm just say, yo, alright. That one I donated from Sponge Music. One Popsy son, you know, real general, don't a man thing up here, you know. What you feel like? And that's the thing there, you know. Back to school, you know. Bills and school fee we are paying here, sitting there, you hear that? Yeah, man, I'm so pass over the camera me I run and I couldn't see her, you know. Live we are kick, yo, live, yo, I want to know. Yeah, man, move it past them little boy, them Magla squad, man. Move it past them little boy, them, man. Move, boy, man. Yo, don't give me a shot, you know, don't give me a shot. Don't give me a shot. Awa, Kana? Pigeon, like I fall. Move, man, see them, man, pass the ball, man. Fireman. Bumbo clear. I like Munchie Black. I saw Munchie man wicked. Mix up Munchie man and back off on their back. Eh? Yeah, man. Big side, yo. 5 love my side just drop, you know. Lick him, man. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, ball a roll here, sir. Ball a roll. Yo, take the ball from things, man. Move, pass it, man. Knock it, man. Yo, what? Move. Yeah, man, can't be a little daughter, that man. Ball keeper, that. Knock it, man. Fire, man. Fire. Move him back. Move him, Robbie King, man. Goal. Bomba clap. Watch that. Big side. One love that. Magla squad. Bomba clap. Robbie King with assist. Watch that. Robbie King. One love that. squad. Robbie King with assist. Me telling you about my nephew. A football make him reach America. You hear that? Ball a roll. One love that.
Defender no play with double or that. Still a pass. How old is it?
See me, Robbie. Yo, Sugar, come on, man. Come on, Sugar, man. Take your pile, man. Take your pile, man.
Let's give a partial referee. Next time him come again. What a promoter. Them can't, man.
Ball a roll. Ball a roll. One. Yo, Robbie, come on. Yeah, man. Move, see him there. Goal, man, backlash. Yeah, goal. A goal now. Referee, a goal at now. Yeah, man, a goal, man. A goal, referee.
Yo, man, Dice have to calm down, you know, man. Dice can't tackle up a man, so you know that. No, Dice can't tackle up a man, so man. Dice are running a man back there.
Yo, Ticks. Yo, look at that. Yo, done. Yo, Ticks. Done, man. Ticks, chill it. Everything good. Ticks, chill out. Yo, get done. Yo, Jenna. Ball game. Yo, we done. Yo, we come off that field. Yo, come off that field, my ball roll out. Clear the field. Clear the field. We're good, man. Yo, calm down, my youth. Calm down. Calm down, bro. Yeah, man. Yo. Calm down. Play ball, calm down. Yeah, man. Calm down, we're good. We're good, man. Calm down. We're good, man. I be a family, man. Chevy, come on, man. Let's go. Wallace, let me get a change here, man. Bring back some fear again. 1 minute at the game. Yo! Game! I want to, man. I can't always come after. Ready? Ready,
One love after no. One love. You know that can't connect.
Take it back, Johnny.
Buckler.